Today I, Palash, final year student of production and industrial engineering, is here to give a seminar presentation on a topic Hyperloop Technology. I would like to take a moment to acknowledge HOD Professor Dr. A.K. Chaturvedi sir, my seminar head Rajiv Rajra sir, and my seminar guide Dr. Sandeep Palash sir for helping me to achieve this desired goal in presentation and for enhancing my technological and interpersonal skills. The objectives of our presentations are to understand about the Hyperloop, its components, its working, principal progress in Hyperloop projects going around, to know the merits and demerits of Hyperloop, safety and reliability, and lastly challenges in the project. Here we begin. So, what are current modes of transportation for humankind? Those first roadways, which is slow but less expensive. Second, waterways, which is slow but also expensive. Third, skyways, which is fast and expensive. Lastly, railways, which is fast, less expensive but has a lot of crowd traveling in it. Because of the advancement of technology, we humans have done a lot of research and changes in these modes of transportation. But somewhere along the line, we have realized and faced some drawbacks in the modes of. So this arises as a question: is there any new and advanced mode of transportation which can fill those voids? The answer is yes. There is a technology in transportation framed by renowned entrepreneur Elon Musk, which is Hyperloop. Hyperloop is a mode of transportation carrying passenger and goods in a capsule-like vehicle through a near vacuum tube. One of the interesting facts of Hyperloop is passengers can travel out of speed of 1200 km per hour. Now to discuss the components of Hyperloop. There are six major components which as follows. First is tube. It is made of steel and it is the pathway for the capsule travel. Basically, in simple words, the structure inside which the capsule-like vehicle travel. This is known as tube. Second, capsule. It is our vehicle in which the passenger and the goods will accommodate and travel. The shape of capsule is aerodynamically designed to reduce the air resistance. The air resistance they are equipped with latest technology and gadgets to prove proper sitting and travel comfort of the passenger. The compressor. Placed at the front of capsule, it sucks at the low pressure air, compresses it and supplied to the gear bearing. Fourth, suspension. Air bearings are used to levitate the capsule with the help of compressed air that flows from compressor to air bearing. Fifth, propulsion. The propulsion linear induction motor along the length of capsule to accelerate and deaccelerate. Sixth and final, power source. Hyperloop generates its power through the solar energy, and this purpose solar plates are placed along the length of tube. Some battery arrangements are made to store the energy to operate at night and in cloudy weather. Hyperloop works on the principle of magnetic levitation. The simple working of Hyperloop is in the capsule moves in a low pressure tube. The low pressure air is sucked by compressor, which is converted to high pressure air, which is injected by air bearing to facilitate the capsule movement. So, as of now, we have encountered this great technology, but what is the progress of this technology around us? Different MNCs and researchers have showed their interest in the respective technology. As a result, Hyperloop is halfway constructed and tested for the route between the San Francisco to Los Angeles. Talking about India, and the project have been approved by Indian government for consulting the Hyperloop for the routes between Mumbai to Pune and Bangalore to Chennai. Talking about demerits and merits of the Hyperloop. Merits is it is faster, safer, lower cost, and more convenient and resistant to earthquake. Demerits are it is require high initial investment, high speed might cause dizziness in passenger, and less movable space for passengers. Talking about safety and reliability, it is one of the major aspects of transportation mode in Hyperloop. Unlike other mode of transportation in single system, the incorporates all its components which give in high reliability to the system. Capsule travel in a careful, controlled, and maintained tube environment, making the system is immune to wet, ice, fog, and rain. Hyperloop, because of all advanced technology, is reliable, durable, and fault tolerant over its service life. Talking about challenges in Hyperloop technology are Firstly, availability of infrastructure and funds, which is seen in European projects where it is nearly impossible to find a single party fund to finance a project. And also, high spend switches are essential for the point to point connection in Hyperloop, but less switches do not meet easily. These are need to develop. Lastly, to conclude, Hyperloop transportation system can over the conventional modes of transportation that are rail, road, water, air, and at very high speed it provides better comfort and cost is also low. Even taking demerits into the account, Hyperloop still proves to be a dynamic transportation mode for the future. Thank you. Any question?
Yes, what is progress of Hyperloop in India?
The rail industry is increasingly embracing technology concepts such as automatic maglev and high-speed trains are now becoming a reality. Musk open source the basic design in 2013 in the form of white paper. There are now number of companies working to build the idea, and among those is the Richard Branson backed Virgin Hyperloop One, which aims to do in India by linking Mumbai to Pune.